Okay, so as you can see now, I'm logged into the Aeries student information system, and I'm going to look at about how to set up a gradebook for semester 2. So at our district, we go back next week, so not to make you feel bad, but so I'm a little bit early here, but so I'm going to go to Gradebook, and what I'm going to look to do is add a gradebook. So we're going to go ahead. So this is actually it still thinks it's my current term, but technically this is from fall semester. I'm going to add a gradebook for the spring semester. So we're going to call this gradebook, I'm going to call it Gen Phys, and I'm going to put this for the spring semester. I am going to associate one section, so I'm going to associate my period 2 physics B, which is my second semester, and I always get a little confused every time I do this, but I'm just going to associate one section for now, and then I'll go ahead and link my other sections of the same course at a later time, but that's a different discussion. So I'm going to make a gradebook for my period 2 spring physics course. And once I have a gradebook, okay, then I can go into categories, I want to say, I don't think it spit any errors. So it looks like this is saved. So now if I go to categories, this is where you saw in the previous video we talked about each category is now going to become one of my units. So in semester 2, I'm going to click on doing weighted scoring, which means I'm going to add percents to each category. I'm going to add some of our typical categories we do, and again, this is completely, you can see I just hit the wrong button there. Let's cancel this. This is completely up to you guys, but we have what we call traditional categories, which are portfolio, and I'm just going to make that 20% for now. I'll add a new category, and our lab category for us is another traditional category. The next ones are going to be our standard-based grading for Unit 2. In Unit 2 in physics, we're going to cover energy. We're going to cover waves. And then the last topic we're going to cover is electricity. So I'm going to pretend I'm going to add those 3 categories right there. And then right now, when I first come into this unit, I'm going to make my first category have all the percent for the grade, for the 60% as my first standard-based grading unit is going to have 60% weight. As the other units come online, I'll eventually split that up into 20, 20, and 20. So those 3 units are equally weighted. Again, that's not, if you have one unit that's you spend more time on and want to have some different weight to it, you're welcome to do that as well. So I'm going to save this now, and so now I've set up my gradebook. I now have my unit set up, and okay, I think we're good. At